Acacia cognata AA, commonly known as river wattle, is a graceful, evergreen shrub or small tree that is native to Australia. It is a popular choice among gardeners because of its striking foliage, which ranges from pale green to deep burgundy. If you are planning to grow Acacia cognata in your garden, here is a guide to help you get started. Choose a suitable location. Acacia cognata requires full sun to thrive, so choose a location in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. The soil should be well draining and fertile, with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Prepare the soil. Before planting, prepare the soil by removing any weeds, rocks, or debris. Mix in some organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to improve the soil's fertility and structure. Plant the tree. Dig a hole that is twice as wide and deep as the tree's root ball. Gently remove the tree from its container and loosen any tangled roots. Place the tree in the hole and backfill with soil, making sure that the tree is planted at the same level as it was in the container. Water the tree thoroughly to settle the soil around the roots. Watering and fertilizing. Acacia cognata requires regular watering, especially during the first year after planting. Water deeply once a week, and more often during hot, dry weather. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Apply a balanced fertilizer in spring and again in summer to encourage healthy growth. Pruning. Acacia cognata requires minimal pruning, but you can prune it lightly in spring to shape it and remove any dead or damaged branches. Avoid heavy pruning, as this can cause the tree to become leggy and unattractive. Pests and diseases. Acacia cognata is relatively pest-free, but it can be susceptible to root rot if the soil is too wet. To prevent root rot, make sure that the soil is well draining and avoid overwatering. Watch out for aphids, spider mites, and scale insects, which can be controlled with insecticidal soap or neem oil. In conclusion, Acacia cognata is a stunning plant that can add beauty and interest to any garden. By following these tips, you can successfully grow and care for your river wattle, and enjoy its striking foliage for years to come.